journey, remain seated with your seatbelt fastened. Keep your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the back. And be sure to watch the TV. And enjoy your journey.
Ready to get drenched?
Yeah. This will be nice though going up.
Oh my gosh, yeah.
You know the worst thing about being on the back here? What? You know the worst thing about being in the back here?
What?
If you go from a drop, it'll turn us to the bottom.
Think so?
Oh, it's actually quite far under. And it's like lifted by like a couple of. It's pretty cool.
Yeah.
You tell us to go on the water ride.
We get that soaked already, are we?
Probably. Oh, maybe not.
Now it's the back here. Nope.
Oh, you're complaining about getting wet?
I always get the most wet seat usually.
Well, you have lots of time to dry off. Maybe we'll get you some more Activit.
Yeah, that was drying up.
Oh, it's kind of cool with Everest in the background.
Yeah.
It looks like it's painted though, it really does. Really well done.
Oh wow, that's quite the drop. Oh no. No, 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 no. I always get the wettest seat. I always get the wettest seat.
My. Are you removing your wallet now?
Yup.
I told you we should put it in a bag.
Let me just hold it. Oh god. I got it.
It's too late now, I'd have to undo my seatbelt.
Look at that. That's gonna go right onto me again. Watch.
Oh my.
That's just my luck every time.
Oh man. Well, it'll be nice and cool for a while.
Yeah. Was that it? That was it.
Really?
Yeah.
These guys aren't gonna spray?
Nope.
We think they can see.